Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing this Mint Houz 3-in-1 fast wireless charger with an adapter. It's bought this online from Amazon. As you can see in the box here, it's got the specs, model MT-CW008. It's meant to wireless charge your mobile phone and a couple of other devices using PD, QC, Quick Charge 2 and Quick Charge 3. According to the box here, it's got phone charging time 3 hours and earphone charging time 2 hours. So let me just open this up. So this is the power adapter. So it uses USB-A on this end, and on the other end it uses USB-C. So that's the cradle. It's a Mint Houz brand. So that's USB-A and there's USB-C. Just gotta find the port to plug it in. Okay, so let me see where I can plug in this cable. Okay, so on this end, USB-C, there we go, it's just this end. It's got a little clips here. Let me see what this does. Okay, so that's, oh there you go, there's an additional USB-A port and a USB-C port, so you can extend the charging. I'm assuming that's for charging additional devices. So it's got USB-A and USB-C, so that's pretty handy to have. And let me see how this works. I'll connect the power now. In terms of the material, it looks pretty nice. It feels pretty nice as well, and it looks pretty decent. Oh, there you go, it's got the green light. So as soon as you power it up, it's got the strip at the bottom here. It's green light. Oh, it's also got the blue light. Okay, so it looks like it starts with the blue light and then it goes to green. So green shows you that it's ready. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna try to get a device and start charging it. I'm gonna try charging it with a couple of devices. I'm gonna try it with my Samsung Gear S3. It doesn't look like it's working. It's meant to be charging the watch there. Okay, based on the instruction, it looks like it's meant to charge an Apple device, the Apple Watch. But what you need is the cable. I guess that's why there was a port at the bottom. So you have to run the cable and put it at the top. So as you can see, there's a little groove on at the bottom of where the watch stand is. Okay, so that didn't work really well. And it looks like here you can turn off the LED light as well. So if it's too bright at night, you can turn that off. I've got my Pixel here, the Pixel 6, and it looks like it's charging there. So just by placing it and resting it there, it's starting to charge. Okay, so that's pretty good. At least there was something that was successful. Now I'm going to try it with the Huawei watch, and that's successful as well. So it is charging. I do have my Samsung Gear watch again, and it doesn't look like it's charging. Looks like the Samsung Gear has a different way of charging it. It's not wireless. I've also got here Sony Wireless Earbuds. That doesn't seem to be charging. Okay, I've connected this charger for the watch. So it's charging there. So it's plugged into the cradle. So the phone's also charging as well. So you can charge two devices. Now with the Sony, you can see here that there's a port. This looks like it's a lightning port, so you can charge your earbuds, another Apple device. So I'll recommend this if you have many Apple devices, and you can use this product. If you don't, then I wouldn't really recommend it. Okay, so I worked out how to charge the Sony Wireless Noise Cancellation earbuds, the model WF1000XM5. As you can see, you gotta hold it down like this, so facing down onto the wireless charging pad. so it's not very convenient. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.